This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to withdraw IRA monies without penalty. IRA, or individual retirement accounts, are formally called qualified accounts, meaning they're tax qualified, and there are rules around those monies that are developed by the IRS. The way to withdraw money without a penalty only occurs when you are 70 and a half, and the government requires you to take out a minimum distribution out of the account. When that is done, you basically are able to take money out of the retirement account and not have to pay any exorbitant fees. It's just a requirement that moves along in that regard. There are also hardship withdrawals that can be applied for if you're pre-70 and a half, and many times you can withdraw money for the purchase of a business, or IRS can allow you to take money out for just that purpose. This is Patrick Monroe, financial advisor, talking about how to withdraw IRA monies without penalty.